So more recently, you can use AI inside the database directly. So you can do a search on, for example, list of TEDx speakers, and we are searching for their name, and we want to identify the country based on the name. And to do this, we need to install pgai. I will not go into details how we do this. And then you have this updated speakers YouTube videos using the Mistral Nemo on my self-hosted GPU server, having Olama. And if we go, it's gonna take, usually takes like 2 seconds per request. So now we are updating 5, so it took like 6 seconds. And now if we refresh, we had 422, now we have even more. I also did 300 more. And at least looking at Romania, Călin Cipher, TEDx Brașov, Traverse City, okay, the names, Romanian names, means like they seem to match on this. I don't know for other countries, I don't speak other countries. I will probably do some manual verification for some of them. But yeah, this is an interesting way of utilizing AI directly from inside the database, and you can extract different things, like also from TEDx, how they usually come, all of the titles, they are like in this format, but not all the time. Like sometimes the name is, usually the name is in the middle, the last is the TEDx part, and the first is the title, but not all of them follow this. So for some of them it was like, okay, they're not like we see here, it didn't properly extracted this. And then we can use also an AI to like check each of them and say if this is good or not. Maybe it's a waste of tokens, but it's not a waste of your time. So it's about a trade-off and seeing with what type of model. Like now I'm using a bigger model, but for this simple task, then it could be a much smaller model. And of course, before that, I will do like search on length and some other optimizations. But yeah, pgai, man, pgai rules. From time scale, like check it out. And there is a Docker compose that I created, but you will find others. You can create your own, and you can also use with OpenAI and other stuff. And yeah, it becomes magic. Like you have Postgres, but then you have Postgres that you can auto update directly from inside Postgres.